In the last video, I said I was gonna have to take apart my custom skateboard that I built a few months ago. And I just remembered that I have a second set of trucks. So these trucks right here are the Tensor Magnesium lights. They are incredibly light, like stupid light, and they're gonna go on my new custom skateboard. So this board is a little bit wider and longer, so that means it's gonna be a little bit heavier, and that's why those trucks are gonna be perfect for this board. So some of you may be wondering, why am I going to Zoomies instead of a local skate shop? One, it's 8 o'clock and the mall actually closes at 8 o'clock. Two, I have to drop off a skate tool to one of their employees because I stole it from him a long time ago. And three, I have a good relationship with the store because I used to work there. So that's why we're going to Zoomies, and it's really late and I have to do this really quickly. So that's pretty much why. I brought your tool. Yes, I brought your tool. Okay, there's your tool. I'm gonna go back there and do my stuff. Cool. All right. See, it's like I never left. I kind of like still run this place in a way. I gotta pick grip first. What do I get? What do I get? What do I get? Gotta be fast. Gotta be fast. Gotta be fast. They're about to close. Don't know what to do. Oh, look, Bob Ross. That's not Bob Ross. That's Bob Ross. I'm a big Grizzly fan, but they don't have perforated holes anymore. I guess we'll do Mob. So normally I'm a big Reds fan, but today I think we're gonna go with Bronson G3s. We're going with Bronsons this time. I have Swiss in my other ones. Personally, I think they're really good quality and probably better than the Reds. I just don't want to spend the money on Swiss bearings whenever those do the exact same thing. So I just asked this guy and this guy what wheels I should get. They're recommending Orbs. Typically I'm a Bones STF or Spitfire Formula 4, which are over there. They don't have any, so I'll try their recommendation, and if not, they're bad Zoomies employees because they don't know how to skate. Except he actually does. He's been in a few videos. Anyway, so we've got these orbs here. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I think we'll go with these. It's kind of what we've got for now. Now time to put you on a time lapse so I can build this thing. And well, there you have it. I think the wheels and the trucks were a really good choice, actually. The wheels are a little bit soft, so I'm not used to that. So that's gonna be okay. We'll go skate this in a little bit. We need to tighten up the trucks, they're very loose. But regardless, not a bad board. Okay, I'm out, y'all have fun. Bye. Hey Copper, I'm back. What's up, buddy? Good boy. Well, as you can tell, we are back home and the board feels great. I'm not used to soft wheels, so I might actually pull these off and give these wheels away and then just go buy another set from the local skate shop. Other than that, it is incredibly light. So these are Day One Songs Maglite trucks. They're hollow here and they're hollow through here, but they're the magnesium alloy. Hello, Copper. And they are insanely light. So this whole board weighs less than this board. This board actually is kind of heavy. What I might actually do is put these wheels, because I really like these wheels, on this board and then skate this one. I don't know yet, but to give you an idea of how much longer it is, yeah, it's a good like 3 inches longer than this board. And this one is, again, very wide. It might be closer to 9 inches because that's That's 8.25. Yeah. So this is a big boy, but it feels so good. I am gonna end up skating that board here pretty soon. Don't have the time to do it tonight because it is really late and I'm gonna come home and check on the dog. But we will be skating this one here pretty soon, and I'm really excited about that. The trucks, they feel amazing. The bearings, they feel incredible. They're super, super smooth. The only complaint I have is that the trucks are really loose. So I have to break those in or replace the bushings because right now they're kind of soft, so I might actually go to like a more medium bushing or a harder bushing. But regardless, the whole thing just feels fantastic. The only complaint I have are the wheels, and like I said, I might do a giveaway on those just because I'm not a big soft wheel person. The deck itself, or the board itself, is incredibly light for something that is like 3 inches longer and about 9 inches wide. It's stupid light, and I don't know how I feel about it yet because I haven't had a board this light in forever, but I'm excited just to see what it does. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was just a quick little montage of just going to Zoomies and building a board, but I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you enjoyed my dog over here, who is now making a mess. And if you enjoyed the video, you leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later. This stupid thing.